go.
Hey Jimbo, good day on the rod, mate.
Awesome day, Robbo. Absolute cracker.
Well, better get into it, mate. This old girl's not going to wash herself.
Nothing like cleaning the boat after a big day on the water.
Yeah.
What in the mother of sweet baby foam guns is that?
This, Jimbo, is the new and improved salt exterminating foam gun from Salty Captain. Check this out. So you take this thing here, right, and you shove it right up there, and you put that thing in there, and you take this gizmo, foam, water, off. Let me say that again, Jimbo. Foam, water, off. You got it?
Now what do we do?
Well, I hate to point out the elephant in the room, mate, but now you start to soak the bloody thing.
Then what do we do?
And you wait 5 minutes,
Now what do we do?
and then you rinse the bloody thing off.
So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
So that's it, eh?
Nah, mate, that's not it. It's an engine flush kit too. 2 for the price of 1. How good is that? And you click her on here like that, turn the boat on, voila. Once the foam gun, now an engine flush kit. Bloody good buy if you ask me.
Salty Captain, eh?